everyone, I wanted to do a, I guess, life update today. My husband and I purchased our first home. It's being built right now and we're not gonna move for quite a few months. Our lease is ending soon for this apartment, so we're gonna have this weird transition period. We might move someplace temporarily that doesn't have as big of a window as I do here. So for that reason, I was worried about my plants. My plants currently have this huge south-facing window, so I haven't needed any grow lights during the winter. So I know it's kind of weird that I was looking into grow lights now, even though it's spring where I live and gonna turn into summer soon. But because of our environment potentially changing, I wanted to make sure that my plant babies would be okay. Something else I've been doing is actually decluttering or rehoming my plants, because I kind of fell out of love with some of the plants I got at the very beginning of my plant journey, and I enjoyed them at the time, but then my tastes have changed. And I know I've been saying on this channel that I wanted to make it about minimalism and home decor in addition to plants, but of course the plants is always what I gravitate back towards. Where was I going with this? I completely lost my train of thought. Oh, okay, so minimalism to me means keeping what matters to me, if I love it or if I use it. So basically stuff that in my life that's functional or stuff that I love. Obviously my plants fall into the love category, but I happen to fall out of love with some of those plants. I rehomed 3 plants so far, but they're more common ones that I could always purchase again if I wanted to. I just want my plant collection to be all of the plants that I truly love. I am not gonna have the space to have all of it when I'm in this weird transition period. And back to the whole grow light thing. So I started looking into grow lights. I was looking at the typical purple light, the one with the full spectrum LED, and Easy Bright reached out to me and they just had the perfect timing. They just sent me a free product to try out. I'm gonna try it out before I have to move. If you've been watching my channel for a while, then you know that I don't have many plants in our master bedroom or our only bedroom, because my husband works night shift, and because of that we need blackout curtains for most of the day. Unless he's not working that day, then we'll try to open those curtains. But for that reason, I only have plants that can tolerate low light. I just have 2 snake plants and a ZZ plant in there. They can tolerate the low light, so they do just fine in there. Before I truly risk my plants, I can test out the grow lights here. I'm gonna give an honest review and try out a grow light for our first time. So I've never ever tried a grow light before, and this is how it came packaged. It has this, and then right here is the grow light. It's a 100-watt LED grow light bulb, full spectrum lamp for indoor plants, gardens, flowers, vegetables, greenhouse, and hydroponic gardening. There's their logo right there, Easy Bright. So right here it says, get your free ebook and 3-year warranty in 30 seconds. So it shows you how to do that. It's packaged like this. So this is the end of the grow light. And I believe this should fit into any lamp. So we only have 1 lamp in here, and I'm probably just gonna replace I had like an Edison bulb because I like the antique look, but I'll replace it for the sake of my plants with this. This is a hefty looking light. So this is what the light looks like. It's heavy and it looks like it's good quality. I will go ahead and test it out. I'm gonna try to attach it right now to the lamp that we have in our master bedroom. Please excuse the weird angle, but you're on the bed right now. So this is my lamp that I was talking about, the only lamp we have in here. I'm gonna unscrew this light bulb. So there's a plastic piece on this. I'm gonna try to turn it on. Oh my gosh, it's so bright. Now I feel like my place is a nightclub, but my husband just walked in and was blinded. Clearly it works, and it should work with any regular lamp. For true experimentation purposes, I moved the lamp over to this side because I don't want to disturb my husband's side, and I brought in my silver sword philodendrons. I'll be turning on the grow lights during the daytime whenever I wake up, and then leaving it on until maybe like 12 hours. And the reason why that's okay is because it's supposed to use less energy and heat than if you were to use a normal light that's not meant to be a grow light. After this light has been on for a few hours, you can still touch it. It's not gonna be cool, but it's not gonna burn you either. I haven't tried any other grow light, but apparently this one doesn't get as hot as other ones, but I can't really compare because this is the only grow light I've ever had. I will do a separate update video showing you how my silver sword philodendron does under this grow light. I may add more plants in here that are currently out in my living room just to see overall how the plants do. Having this grow light will basically give me peace of mind that my plants are going to be okay when I move to a place that doesn't have as much sunlight, so it'll be depending on this grow light. Thank you to Easy Bright. There will be a link in the description below where you can get your own grow light for 20% off, and I will do that update video to show you how my plants really do under a grow light. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye!